Jason Bond from the Bull Microcap Fund. I wanted to share my fund's investment thesis on BIOREM, ticker BRM in Canada and BIRMF in the US. BIOREM has a mission to engineer, design, manufacture, and distribute the most innovative and effective air emissions abatement technologies in the world. The company was established in 1990. They are based near Guelph, Ontario, in Canada, but they operate in 23 countries around the world. BIOREM has done over 2,000 installations. They have over 50 employees with an average tenure of 10 to 12 years. BIOREM offers a full range of engineering and technical solutions. The company is transitioning from being a capital equipment vendor to providing more services, such as upfront engineering, site work, or after-sales market. These are the areas the company works in: municipal wastewater, collection systems and headworks, liquid phase transition, solid treatment, solid waste management, compost, anaerobic digestion, transfer stations, recycling facilities, industrial, which includes pet food, chemical production, petrochemical, food and beverage, agribusiness, semiconductor, surface coatings, and wood products, and finally, renewable energy, which includes biogas desulfurization, biogas conditioning, and emissions abatement. Here are the results from the third quarter of 2024 in Canadian dollars. BIOREM reported record quarterly revenues for the third quarter of $14.9 million, an increase of 103% over the previous quarter, and 170% higher than the same quarter in 2023. Year-to-date revenues totaled $28.1 million, a 117% increase over the $13 million reported for the first 9 months of 2023. The increase in revenues is largely attributable to the increase in order bookings and continuing delivery of projects from the company's large order backlog. The company commented, during the quarter, the company booked $6.6 million in new orders, resulting in an order backlog of $48.4 million on September 30th, 2024. This compares to an order backlog of $57 million on June 30th, 2024, and $54.5 million as of September 30th, 2023. The company expects order bookings to continue to grow and delivery of projects from the order backlog to continue generating strong revenue and earnings growth over the next 12 months. The President and CEO, Derek S. Webb, said, in the third quarter, delays related to industry-wide issues with construction projects eased somewhat, allowing BIOREM to catch up on orders in the company's backlog. Even as project deliveries accelerated, BIOREM's sales funnel, outstanding bids, and order backlog remain robust, with no signs of softening over the near to medium term. Population growth and the need for significant increases in housing construction throughout North America is driving demand for municipal and industrial infrastructure projects that require air emission abatement systems. BIOREM's experience and performance in delivering both large and small successful air emission abatement projects makes them uniquely positioned to benefit over the long term from this growth cycle. Here are the figures in US dollars for the quarter. BIOREM reported earnings per share of 12 cents on a fully diluted basis. EBITDA is $2.18 million. Cash flow is $3.17 million. Revenue is $10.73 million. The market cap is $31.1 million, while enterprise value is $28.5 million. And here are the metrics of cheapness based on annualizing the most recent quarter. Enterprise value to EBITDA is 3.27. Price to earnings ratio is 4.38. Price to book is 4.36. Price to cash flow is 2.45. Price to sales is 0.72. Return on equity is 59.7%, which is outstanding. The Piotrowski F-score is 7, which is quite good. Insider ownership is 16%, which is good. Cash is $7.3 million, while debt is $3.9 million. Total liabilities to total assets is 59%, which is okay. Here are the intrinsic value scenarios. Low case, if there's a bear market and/or a recession, the stock could decline. That would be a buying opportunity. Mid case, BIOREM should have a PE of at least 10. That would mean the stock is worth $480, which is over 125% higher than today's $210. High case, arguably the company should have a PE of 15. That would mean the stock is worth $7.20, which is over 240% higher than today's $2.10. Very high case. If BIOREM can continue to grow its revenues and backlog, while also transitioning towards services instead of just capital equipment, the PE could reach 20. That would mean the stock is worth $9.60, which is over 355% higher than today's $2.10. Risks: if there's a bear market or a recession, the stock would probably decline temporarily. Also, if the company does not continue to win new business, revenue and earnings would decline.